In this video, I'll guide you through how to manually mark an invoice paid in Dubsado. There are plenty of situations where a client doesn't pay through the online invoice. They may pay you with a check, cash, a bank transfer, or another offline payment method. When that happens, you'll want to record the payment manually so your records stay accurate and the invoice reflects the correct status. Fortunately, Dubsado makes this process simple and only takes a few moments. To get started, log into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Since manual payments are recorded on individual invoices, you'll first need to open the correct project. From the menu on the left, click Projects and select the project that contains the invoice you want to update. Once you're inside the project, click on the Invoices tab to view all invoices associated with that client. Open the invoice you want to mark as paid. After the invoice loads, look toward the top for the Paid or Unpaid option button, then choose Mark as Paid. This opens the manual payment window where you can enter the payment details. You'll first see the payment date. If the client paid today, you can leave the current date as it is. If the payment was received earlier, simply change the date so your records accurately reflect when the payment was made. Next, choose the payment method. For example, if the client paid by check, select check as the payment method. If you'd like, you can also record additional information such as the check number or another reference number to make future record keeping easier. After that, enter the payment amount exactly as it was received. Once you've filled in the required information, click Apply to record the payment. The payment will immediately appear in the invoice's payment history. If you notice that you entered the wrong amount, there's no need to start over. Locate the payment you just added, click the three-dot menu beside it, and choose Edit. Update the payment amount with the correct value, then click Apply again to save the changes. After the corrected payment is applied, the remaining balance should update automatically. If the invoice has been paid in full, the outstanding balance will be reduced to 0, and the invoice status will change to paid. That's all there is to it. By manually applying payments to your invoices, you can accurately track offline transactions, keep your financial records organized, and ensure every invoice in Dubsado reflects the correct payment status regardless of how your client chooses to pay.